Hi, welcome to What's Up with DJ. Today I will be making a Boboli air fryer pepperoni and cheese pizza in the air fryer. These are the ingredients that I'm using. I'm using a Boboli, as you can see. What I did do is I did preheat this Boboli in the air fryer for about 5 minutes total, flipping it in between. I wanted to make it a little more crispier and crunchier. I prefer more crunchier crust rather than a doughy crust. And then I'm simply gonna put some of the ragu pizza sauce on here, and you're gonna want to spread it evenly. You're not really wanting too much sauce because it'll make it mushy, and so you want to get as close to the edge as you can and just kind of spread a little bit on there, not too much. I kind of was putting a little too much, so I'm going to end up taking just a little bit off of here. But yeah, you just want to kind of spread it out and get a good layer on there. Next, we're going to put a layer of pepperoni on the bottom, because you can't have too much pepperoni, especially if you like pepperoni pizza, right? So I'm going to layer the pepperoni on here, and then next comes the shredded mozzarella cheese, and now we're going to put a second layer of pepperoni on the top and just get our layer of pepperoni on there. Oh look, I have an extra piece. Maybe my assistant might like it. There's Sammy, my best friend. Okay, back to the pizza. Now we're going to put it in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the air fryer at 370. I'm going to start it at 15 minutes. I know it's not going to go 15 minutes. This is a new air fryer of mine, and so I'm still getting used to seeing how hot it is. And voila, here's the finished pizza. Now the pepperonis look a little crunchy, but I don't mind. I like it when they're browned up like that, and also when the cheese browns up and is crusted like that. I did find that the pepperonis kind of flew around. You see, I can lift them up. I think maybe a little bit, another small layer of cheese on top of those to hold them down would have been a little bit better. But it's still looking good, and I like it. And it turned out perfect with the Boboli crust. It's a pre-made crust, and these come in an 8-inch, so it fits perfectly in the Power XL 5.8 quart, which is what I have. And here are the ingredients again of what I used. And here's my little assistant Sammy, waiting to see if he's going to get a sample. And I'm glad you watched my video. I appreciate it. I would like if you would like and subscribe to me, please. And thanks for watching.